Okay, this is me finishing off my sanding yet again. This is the backboard of the bench where I took the cast iron centerpiece out. These are the planks. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not finished sanding. This was a rough sand to get all the old painting and rust and staining off. I'm still going to do one more layer of sanding with a much nicer sandpaper, something to make it really, really nice, so that when Gary goes ahead and puts a stain on it and a polyurethane coat on it, it's really, really comfortable to sit on. No splinters, absolutely no splinters of any kind, and uh, and Gary, you have my complete sympathies. So I hope you come back as invigorated and as vigorous as you always are. So, onward charge!